That's why the white man will always say, if you want to catch a black man, write it in a piece of paper. He will never read it. Don't buy what you cannot consume. Don't buy what you cannot use. Don't buy what you cannot consume. Don't buy what you cannot use. Some of you are too in a hurry. You just get 1,000 followers. Piam, you want to go live. You don't even know the community guideline. You have not even studied community guideline. You are not even in any community. Tomorrow you go live. You go to drink coke. You go to drink beer. They go ban your account. You come here. They come cry, Coach Victor. They ban my account. Do you know that DBA has been over 10 years ago, but some of you don't know. It has been on there. It's just a name. DBA na name. Now today we started to say online course. From Facebook, we only say online course. Some of these things you guys are doing that they are already updated in the system. Listen, China is already living their life in 2050 already. Some of you are doing your business like a local champion. How will you be doing business? You don't have social media presence. Are you on social media? No, sorry, man. No, yet I'm not yet on social media. I'm just managing this small place. Auntie, start from somewhere. Let your business be a global business. Don't do your business. I don't care. Anyhow, you consign me. Anybody go come. Who go buy, go buy. You must see people as money. If I don't see Coca as money, I cannot make money from her. If Coca does not see me as money, she cannot make money from me. See people as money. See people as money. See people as money. Strangers are the ones paying your bills. Strangers are the ones paying our bills. I don't need to know you before I make money from you, auntie. I don't need to know you before I make money from you. You are owing me. Some of you, you're owing me. Some of you are already my okay. How many people do you have their number? All of my community members, I have their contacts. TikTok or without TikTok, I can still do business outside TikTok. Some of you have gifters, reasonable gifters. You lose them because you were not focused enough. You were just busy. Difference between coins and relationship. Some of you add career and coins together. You lose quality people, destiny helpers because of coins. Because somebody no come your boss game, you don't invest. Or because you invited Coca, you invited Coach Victor for your boss game, he could not come. You start frowning, you block the person until no be so. Life is not that way. You never care of knowing what this person was passing through. Oh, Coca, why you not come my live stream? Oh, nice, why you not come my boss game? Why you not come my birthday? Some of you have lost reasonable people because it's selfishness. Ask questions first before you take your actions. You must niche down in 2025. You must niche down in 2025. You can't be jumping from pillar to post. Niche down. You can, if you're looking for a niche, let me teach you how to get a niche. Use your ChatGPT now. Let me teach you guys how to have a niche. If you want to have a niche, use ChatGPT. If you want to have a niche, tell ChatGPT that I'm a new TikToker, I'm a new content creator, I need a niche. Please give me a payable niche. You will see, it will give you different niche. You are going to choose the one you can do. I've given you one secret. You can use ChatGPT to have a niche. So take note of that. ChatGPT can give you a good niche, a payable niche. A payable niche, yes. You can have a payable niche. If you want to have a payable niche, it's up to you. Okay, let's round up now. TikTok is a business. You don't need to be in too many communities for you to make money on TikTok. That's it. All right, let's proceed. I don't have much time. Your friends on TikTok determine your value. Coca, who are your friends on TikTok? Your friends on TikTok determine your value. What I'm about to say will help you on TikTok now. Please, if you are not writing anything, write this one I want to say now. Value plus strategy is equals to money. I repeat myself again. Value plus strategy is equals to money. Value plus strategy is equals to money. If you have value, you don't look for people. You don't struggle for people. People will look for you if you have value. If you have value, people will look for you. You don't struggle for people. You don't struggle for people. People look for you. Now, you don't need to, you need the right people. You need to join a community. Join a quality community. Community that will hold you and grow with you, not community that want to suck you, not community that want to finish you. Coca, thank you so much. You're welcome. Guys, I hope you have connected with Coca. Connect with her. She's also going live. Go and support her in the live stream. She's also a gifter. She will also support you whenever you need her. Support her, connect with her. So let's move. Thank you, Coca, for coming. You're welcome. Now, this the diamonds or the gift people are giving you. That's how you receive. That's how you make money from TikTok. The diamonds or the gift people are giving you. That's how you make money on the TikTok. Thank you so much for the gift. I appreciate. God bless. That is how you make money on the street of TikTok. So it's very important